here is our Grizzly cart, and this has been a very popular demand by customers here. The handle just drops in and gets bolted on to keep it in there. The wheels again are all no flats on it. Reinforced angle iron steel across the center of it, and it just has done really well for us, and everyone who has bought them have said great things about them. It gets box shipped to them, and basically all it is the swivel wheels. You got 4 bolts, nuts that you put together, and then on the 15-inch back wheels, they just slide in with the washer and cotter pin, and the handle, like I said, just drops down, bolts on there, and it's simple as that.